I have an announcement to make. I've been facing a little bit of a problem. In case you didn't know, I am an artist, content creator on YouTube. I also have a blog. Also am raising 2 children who are under the age of 4 years old. Life can get pretty crazy, and sometimes art does not happen. It's very soul-crushing and disappointing. I need some sort of, eyes on me to make sure that I am putting out some form of creative work every single day. So this is gonna be a little sneak peek into my life in the studio and a way to get me to make more art and be a bigger kick in the butt for me. Let's go make some art. So, I'm almost done with this cough. I am so tired of coughing all the time. I was approached by this really amazing art community, Simple Daily Drawing, and they were kind enough to send me their sketchbooks, which contain daily prompts for that month, and you just draw in the sketchbook that they give to you. This is fantastic, especially if you struggle with trying to come up with ideas, which I know that happens to me quite a bit. I love these stickers. If that doesn't ring true, I don't know what does. This is their page divider, which also includes all of the prompts, and you can use this page divider for heavy coverage or wet mediums. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to do some sketching. I'm feeling a little creatively stunted this morning, so it'll just be nice to loosen up. Editing Amanda here. I know that notebook says May 1st. Even though I did not actually draw this on May 1st, I wanted to draw on the first page of a sketchbook. I feel like I just wanted to get started off on the right foot. That was what was on page 1 for this month's sketchbook. So I decided to go with that. That is all. I have an announcement to make. I'm going to open up a YouTube membership on my channel. It's pretty simple right now because I'm just testing out the waters and seeing if this is something I can also take on with my workload. But basically the membership will contain loyalty badges, custom emojis, early access to my videos, as well as some special discount codes for my Etsy shop. All you gotta do is hit the join button below on this video, having me do more of the things that I'm doing here on YouTube with my art. Please consider becoming a member. I would absolutely love that and truly would appreciate it. Now that I've made that big announcement, I'm gonna start working on the emojis that are gonna go into the memberships. I'm gonna go scan these into my computer and modify these a little bit in Photoshop to get them digitized and then put them into the membership. And we're live! So this is gonna be another set of doodles that I'm going to do. Gotta keep on opening up the creative airways. Sometimes it's hard to be creative. So I think that doing more doodles, more sketching, just forcing myself to do more art is gonna help that a little bit. Now there's a lot of things that I do as an artist to help me earn income being a designer on a print-on-demand platform called Zazzle. It's been a really cool way for me to earn extra side income and just do fun little illustrations and doodles that kind of scratch that creative itch for me. Father's Day is coming up, so I did some research and I got a few ideas that I'm going to sketch and then paint and then scan and then put into the Zazzle platform. Hop onto the desk with me and let's see what we can do. Right now I'm just working on some of my sketches. I scan them in and have them up on Photoshop. My scanner, for some reason, always makes it way too bright, so I lose a lot of the color that I already put on. So I gotta do some Photoshopping to bring back some of that color. So it's a tedious process, but we gotta get it done. So I'm just gonna clean up these sketches, download them as PNGs with a transparent background, and then use them for my future designs. Going into this day, I'm feeling really energized, really buzzing with creativity, and as I was just about to get into the flow, I got a phone call that my son was not doing so well at school, so I had to go and pick him up. I needed to go put my mom duties first and take care of him, and then the next day both my kids were sent home from school, and I actually enjoyed being in their company. I think a large part just had to do with the fact that I was pouring into myself with my art. I feel like I've creatively accomplished so much in just 1 week than I've had in almost 2 months. This is really, really good. I want to keep on going with this. Should I do more vlog style videos? Comment below, let me know. I always want to hear your feedback. So with that being said, I'm wishing you all the creative vibes coming your way. See you next time.